Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to make a custom alarm on iPhone iOS 16. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you will need to download this app GarageBand. You can see that I have already downloaded it. After you download this app, open it. Now at the top right corner, you can see this plus icon, tap on it. Now from here you can use any of the instrument you like. You can use drums, APM, audio recorder, strings, bass, guitar, world, anything you want here. I'm gonna use drum. Now you have to record it. Tap on that red icon given at the top. After you are done, tap on that green icon given at the top. Now tap on the icon given at the top right corner. Tap on My Songs option. Here you can see that the customized music have been saved over here. Now you have to long press on that. Go to the options here. You have to export it as a ringtone, so tap on ringtone. Now you can give a name to your ringtone, and after you are done, tap on export. Tap on OK, close this app, open your clock app. Now at the top right corner you can see this plus icon, set up alarm. Now here you will get this option of sound, tap on it. The music that I have just customized is available here, you can see that. Now you have to tap on it and set it. Then you can tap on save given at the top right corner. And you are done. This is how you make custom alarm on iPhone iOS 16. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.